So I'm already waiting for my Uber driver. At Purana Killa. I'm here for a heritage walk. There's a guy called Anas on Instagram. There's a page called Unzip Delhi. So I am here with him. Actually, I'm waiting for him. He asked me to come at 4 p.m. but I'm late. Let's see. So I called Anas. He's already inside. I bought my ticket. I'm going in.
Purana Killa is one of the most famous and oldest fort in Delhi, India, which was built by the second Mughal Emperor Humayun and Sultan Sher Shah Suri. It is located near the Pragati Maidan exhibition ground and is separated from Dhyanchand Stadium by Mathura Road, which has a huge history related to pre-Islamic inhabitation and Indus theory, Deen Pana, British era and World War II, etc. One of the two internment camps in India in World War II was Purana Killa. And in the recent times, it is being used as one of the most famous backdrop and venue of various important theatre productions, cultural events and concerts. The place been used for few Bollywood movies also, and one of the famous movie is named Veer Zara, which is being produced here. And you'll be shocked to know that this place also is related to the great epic Mahabharata, as there are proofs that this killa is made by the Pandavas and is also known as the name of Pandavas Killa.
Let's see कैसे जाती है वॉक. फर्स्ट टाइम है मेरा पुराना किला में भी एंड इस हेरिटेज वॉक थिंग में भी. आई एम एक्साइटेड टू मीट अनस एंड फॉर हिज knowledge also. So let's see. Following the live location which Anas has sent me. Let's see where is he. I think he's there. Yeah, it is him. Let me show you. This crowd, I think it is him. Let's see.
Another wife of Humayun is there, which is called Bagha Begum. Bagha Begum is there and Hamida Banu Begum is there, and they're all running. There comes a point where someone has to stay back. No, you can't run in a camp.
So we are heading to our next spot. यहाँ पर आई थिंक बंद हो रहा है सब. लेट्स सी स्टोरी कहाँ कंप्लीट होती है. आई एम एक्साइटेड फॉर वीर ज़ारा वन.
हम बैठते इधर वाले and that's another level. ये सिर्फ मोहब्बत नहीं होती, इस मोहब्बत के अंदर मिक्स होता है आपका दूसरे इंसान के लिए केयर, उसके लिए रिस्पेक्ट. और कभी कभी वो केयर और रिस्पेक्ट उतना बड़ा हो जाता है कि शायद वो मोहब्बत को भी ओवर शैडो कर दे. We at times don't realize it, but we do still love that person, but we care for them way too much. And that is the relationship between Shahjahan and
So I was done with the walk like half an hour ago. Now I'm going to the third wave for the coffee because I'm too tired.
देखा तेनू पहली पहली बार वे, होने लगा दिल बेकरार वे. रब्बा मैनू की हो गया, दिल जानिए मैं तेरा ही हो गया. हो तेरे अगे पिछे घूमे सोनिया, जदों तेरे हथ चुमे सोनिया, मिठा मिठा जी हो गया.
Heading towards H&M. Had a coffee, sandwich with मैंने पैक करवा लिया. I don't know if the name is different, but it is sandwich. Pretty much done with everything. H&M में कुछ अच्छा नहीं मिला. डैडी के लिए बुक्स ले ली हैं. Now I'm going home. I have a live session to attend online at 10. I think I have to attend it like in the metro because it will take like 1.5 hours to reach home. So yeah. So let's sign it off. Now I'll reach home and attend my live session. Have a good night.